Dodge Charger RT HEMI 5.7 liter V8. Really nice red color, nice tinted windows and lights and wheels. Anyways, we got stock converters there and there. Then a factory X pipe right there, 2.25 pipe into a 2.5 inch X pipe. Then we put 3-inch pipe in the place of the mid resonators or mid mufflers, whatever you want to call them, right there. And then we left the active exhaust on it there and there. You always want to keep that on there. Then we also left the rear mufflers or resonators because he didn't want it too loud. He just wanted a little bit of sound, about 30%. That's what usually you get out of that when you do it that way. There it is, really nice. I like how he did the lights and stuff. He's a soldier, so thanks for his service for our country. We hooked him up. And like always, guys, please subscribe, comment, and like, and spread the word. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. All right, guys, we got you a 2019 Dodge Charger HEMI. What is it? HEMI 5.7. What we got done on it, factory converters, as usual. Factory X pipe. Then he has some Flowmaster 40s we took off. It just sounded too quiet. We didn't like them, so we took them off and did muffler delete, basically straight pipe. And he had somebody else do 3-inch pipe all the way back on it, on each side, and then put some 4-inch tips on it, there and there. There's the Flowmaster 40s. It barely hit 100 on the sound decibels, so it sounds a lot better now, a lot nicer. RT 5.7 HEMI. So with a muffler, straight pipe all the way back, 3-inch. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. What do you think? Good? That's what you want? I like what you did with the lights. It's good. You like it? There's a sound decibels, mid muffler delete. Right up. You hit 113. That's perfect. RT. That's just with the mids. Imagine if we did the back, guys. Oh, I love it. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Much better. Breathe now. There's sound decibels. 118. That sounds so mean. Yeah, look at that thing scream now. I gotta stand back because it's too close. The mic is distraught. Sounds mean. And my B5 blue, my favorite color. This looks so good on these. Let you guys hear on the inside. Charger RT 5.7 liter HEMI. Keys? You left them in there? I love that. That's awesome. And then you got that. Dodge Charger 3-inch system, straight pipe. thing. Alright! Beast mode! Look at that beast. That's definitely a beast. Enjoy, guys.